You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. I said correctly in English. If you want to learn more confusing but correct pronunciations in English, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. It's pronounced flood. British English and American English pronunciations are similar. There might be slight differences in accent, but it's essentially the same sound. All right, it's not it's not it's not oo, it's definitely not fluid. It's flood. Flood. Can you hear how it's pronounced? Can you pronounce it yourself? Flood? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.